In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage employee notifications in QuickBooks Time. We'll walk through setting clear, timely alerts so your team stays on track without being overwhelmed. These controls reduce missed punches, support compliance, and cut down on timesheet corrections. Start by opening QuickBooks Time. If you're in QuickBooks Online, go to All Apps, select Time, and choose Launch QuickBooks Time. Once it opens, head to Company Settings in the top navigation and select Notifications. This is your hub for everything we'll configure. First, set clock in and clock out reminders. Decide whether these should go to mobile, email, or both, depending on how your team prefers to receive updates. Enter the times that make sense for your workday, like an 8:00 a.m. clock-in reminder and a 5:00 p.m. clock-out reminder. Then choose which days of the week these apply to. Match these to your business hours, and keep in mind time zones and part-time schedules so you don't ping people on their days off. Next, manage geofencing alerts. Set the start and end times for when location-based notifications should be active, and choose the days they apply. These alerts trigger when someone enters or leaves an approved job location, helping confirm on-site work without micromanaging. Keeping these within business hours helps reduce unnecessary alerts. Remind your team to allow location services in their device settings so geofencing works reliably. Now, configure schedule notifications. Choose mobile, email, or both. Decide what happens when an assigned shift is published or changed. You can always send, never send, or ask each time. The ask choice is useful while you refine your scheduling process and need flexibility before committing to always-on messages. Enable the 1 hour before shift starts alert to reduce late arrivals, and turn on Forgot to Clock In or Forgot to Clock Out reminders to catch common mistakes. You can also notify when a team member hasn't clocked in after a shift has started. Aim for a balance that keeps people informed without creating alert fatigue. Then, set time off notifications. For administrators and managers, choose to receive alerts when a team member enters time off and when time off is approved, denied, edited, or canceled. These updates help with coverage planning and payroll accuracy. Before you leave the page, make sure to save your changes so everything you configured takes effect. If you're experimenting with different combinations, save periodically so nothing is lost if you navigate away. That's how to manage employee notifications in QuickBooks Time, keeping your team on schedule and informed. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.